Hello everybody, Joel here. So today I made a quick repair on a 2002 Honda Accord, and somebody had removed the catalytic converter. So there was a section of tailpipe missing. I picked up a 2-inch section of new tailpipe and a couple of clamps and some other fittings, and was able to insert that right into the flexible connection coming off of the motor. And I've got the repair on video, so go take a look at that. And I appreciate y'all watching. We'll talk to you later.
So somebody stole the catalytic converter out of this 2002 Honda Accord. So I just had to make a quick fix with a 24-inch straight pipe just to fill in the gap. Ended up strapping it up onto the top. I think that's the sway bar up there, just to take some pressure off. And then it was just yanked right out of the flexible fitting there, so I had to push that in there and just make it fit. And I put some high temperature tape around there. Hopefully that will alleviate any sound or any leakage, but we'll find out. It was super noisy without it. Hopefully this will take care of it. It was pretty cheap and easy fix, but definitely temporary.
So as you can see, just a pretty quick fix. Parts altogether were just right off the shelf at O'Reilly and came to about $35. Probably would have been a little less, but I had bought one extra hanger that I didn't need. Again, the one hanger I had hung off that sway bar. Definitely not recommended, but just for a temporary fix, I don't see it as a big deal. She's going to pick up a catalytic converter, probably in the junkyard somewhere. I think she's got her dad as a contact for that, so should be able to get that done. But anyways, just a quick and easy fix for temporary purposes. But thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next video.